Good afternoon, children. Yesterday, we discussed about what is matrix, what is row matrix, what is column matrix, then how we can add two matrix. Okay, I hope you studied that portion. Then today we are going to discuss about the multiplication of matrix. That is an important one topic, multiplication of matrix. Before we have discussed some more points based on matrix. Okay, first one is unit matrix. Okay, unit matrix or identity matrix. Identity matrix. Okay, in a square matrix, you know what is row, column. Okay, row and column. What is the order of a matrix? Okay, in a matrix, that is, suppose it's a matrix 1 0 0 1. It's a matrix. Here you see, this is the one of the element. This is the another one element. This is another one element. This is another one element. Here, what is the row and column? This is what is the order of this matrix? Number of rows and number of columns. So it is a 2 by 2 matrix because here 1 2 rows are there, 2 columns are there. So it is a 2 by 2 matrix. So order of a matrix is 2 by 2. Here you see this is, element is there. Then here this is the diagonal. You see this is the diagonal of a matrix. In this matrix it is one number is say 1. So it is known as unit matrix or identity matrix. So in your exam, the question paper, they will go I is an identity matrix. Identity matrix means you will take 1 0 0 1 is the matrix. That is identity matrix. They will go I. Suppose 3i. 3i means that is 3 into one of the identity matrix 1 0 0 1. That is the meaning of it. 3i identity matrix or unity matrix, which means you are going to multiply with the 3. That is 3 into 1 3, 3 into 0 0, 3 into 0 0, 3 into 1 3. This is the meaning of it. Okay, that is identity matrix. 3i means identity matrix. Okay, then one of the question for you based on matrix multiplication. It is very important one topic, matrix multiplication. Okay, here listen. If a is equal to 1 2 3 4, that is one of the matrix. B is equal to 4 minus 1 3 is 7. Find AB. You know the meaning of AB. AB means A into B. Okay, A into B. How we can multiply that A and B? Listen me carefully. Okay, therefore AB is equal to, then listen. Here first one 1 okay, 1 into 4 plus, listen, 1 into 4 plus 2 into 3. 1 into 4 plus 2 into 3. That is, you see, so, like that 7 shape. So it's first row, first column. That is the first element. Similarly, here first row, second column. That is here. That is 1 into minus 1 plus 2 into 7. Okay. Then 3 into 4. 3 into 4 plus 4 into 3. Okay. 4 into 3. Similarly, 3 into minus 1 plus 4 into 7. That is the method to multiplication. Don't multiply together. That is wrong. Listen me once again. 1 into, you always check it is in the shape of 7. That is row, column. Row, column. Row, column, row, column. Okay. It is in the shape of 7. First row, first column. That is first element. First row, first column. That is the first element. First row, second column. That is the second element. Then second row, first column. That is the third element. second row, then second column, that is the fourth element in the case of a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, after that you are multiplying, 1 into 4, 4, plus 2, 3, 3 2s are 6. Okay, 1 into minus 1, minus 1, plus 14. Then 3 4s are 12 plus 12. Then minus 3 plus 28. That is equal to 10. It will become 13. Then 24. Then 25. This is the answer of AB. That is A into B. Okay. Then once again, in the case in our usual multiplication, A into B is equal to B into A. Is it? Our usual multiplication A into B, because 3 into 7 is equal to 7 into 3. But in the case of matrix multiplication, don't multiply. That is not A into B not equal to B into A. Okay, don't multiply like that. That is wrong. So sure, according to the letter you may multiply. Here A into B means you should multiply first A and B. Don't multiply B into A. That is wrong in the case of multiplication. Then one more thing, you are finding, suppose in the case of you are finding A square. Suppose in this question you want to find A square. That is A is already given 1, 2, 3, 4. How we can find A square? Then here also don't write 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. That is wrong. Don't write like that. A square means that is A into A. That is the meaning. So you may write 1, 2, 3, 4 into, once again, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the correct method. Don't write A square, then 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. That is wrong. Okay, so A square means A into A, B square means B into B. Multiply together. Similarly here, 1 into 1. Okay, 1 into 1 plus 2 into 3. That is the method. 1 into 1 plus 2 into 3. Similarly, 1 into 2 plus 2 into 4 here. Then 3 into 1 plus 4 into 3. Then 3 into 2 plus 4 into 4. Take some, you can do some questions like that for studying multiplication. Okay, I will give some questions for solving like that. Okay, then it is very important. Write in your notebook. I will give some more questions now. Another question for you. Given 2, 1, minus 3, 4 into x is equal to 7, 6. You see, 7, 6. It is the column matrix. Right. Question. The order of matrix X. This is not into the into symbol. It is one of the matrix, capital letter X. So it is the name of one of the matrix X. The order of matrix X, and find the matrix X. What is this matrix? Okay, this is a board exam question 2018. Okay, how we can find it? First portion is find the order of matrix X, which means what is the order of this matrix. For that, you may listen, you may given first one 2, 1, minus 3, 4. That is a given matrix. Then what is the order of the given matrix? That is 2 row, 2 columns. So 2 by 2. So you should write given 2, 1, minus 3, 4. It is a 2 by 2 matrix. And your result 7, 6 is multiplying something with the then, so 7 by 7 and 6. 7, 6. There is another one matrix. So here how many row? 2 row and only 1 column. 2 by 1 matrix. You see, this is a 2 by 2 matrix. This is a 2 by 1 matrix. So after that, just you write here 2 by 2 and 2 by 1. You may write like that. 2, 2 together. See? Okay. Then after, you may remove the middle one. So balance 2 and 1. That is 2 by 1. So sure, this is also a 2 by 1 matrix. This X is a 2 by 1 matrix. Understood? This is a 2 by 2 matrix. The given result is 2 by 1 matrix. So you may arrange like that. The result is 2 by 1 matrix. You need 2 by 1 matrix. Okay. So middle sure, that is a 2 by 2 matrix. So we can avoid that one. Balance 2 by 1. That is the X, the value of X. So your answer, first answer is the order of x is equal to 2 by 1. Understood how we will find 2 by 1? 2 and 1. Balance. What is balance there? That is your order of the matrix x. Okay. So, then we are going to find which matrices we will use there. Which matrix is multiplied there for the result 7 and 6. For that, we don't know. So, we are going to assume that is A and B or X or Y, anything. Okay. One thing that is a 2 by 1 matrix. That is 2 rows and 1 column. So, let X is equal to A, B. Is it? What is the order of this matrix? 2 by 1. Is it 2 row and 1 column? So, we are assuming the elements of this matrix is A and B. Then, therefore, 2, 1, minus 3, 4 into AB. We don't know. So, AB is equal to 7, 6 given. Okay, it is given. 2, 1, minus 3, 4 into multiplied with the AB. The result is 7 and 6. As usual, we are going to equate. That is 2 into A. Okay. Multiply. 2 into A plus 1 into B is equal to corresponding 7. Okay. 2 into A plus 1 into B is equal to 7. Then similarly minus 3 into A plus 4 into B is equal to 6. That is equal to it's a matrix. Okay, that is which implies 2A plus B is equal to 7 minus 3A plus 4B is equal to 6. Equation number 1, no? Equation number 2. How we can solve it? Okay, anyway, you multiply with the, here we can multiply with the 3 means it will become, we can cancel. Otherwise, here multiply with the 4, it will become cancel. Anyway, okay, so I am going to multiply 1 with the 4. 4, so 4B, 4B, we can cancel. Okay, so first one, first equation implies then 4 into 2, 80A plus 4B is equal to 28. Similarly, minus 3A, there is no change, plus 4B is equal to 6. There is no change. Okay, so subtracting 4B minus 4B becomes 0. 1 is 6, 0. 80A, listen, 80A minus 3A. Okay, plus 11 plus 0 is equal to 28 minus 6, 22. Okay, so 11A is equal to 22. Therefore, A is equal to 22 divided by 11 become 2. The value of A, first element is 2. Similarly, we can substitute. Okay, substitute in our equation number 1. Substitute A is equal to 2 in equation number 1. Then that is 2A plus B is equal to 7. The value of A is 2. And 2 into 2 plus B is equal to 7. That is 4 plus B is equal to 7. Therefore, B is equal to 7 minus 4. That is 3. So, the value of, therefore, A is equal to 2. B is equal to 3. Therefore, the matrix A, B. Don't forget A, B is equal to 2, 3. Okay. How many marks? 4 marks question. That is 2018 board exam question, 4 marks. Then you are writing the order of the matrix, that is 2 marks. Then remaining 2 marks. Okay. So write it carefully in your notebook. Try to solve many questions based on this. It is a very easy one chapter. You can score marks also. Then section A and B. In both the section, it will ask for 4 and 4 marks. The total 8 marks question will ask from this portion. Okay, so take more importance. Give more importance of this chapter. some previous years board exam question. The first and second questions is last year question, 2020 question. This is I think 17th question, 2017 question. Okay, then you write in your notebook, try to solve, do carefully. Then I told you a square means not a you give x square y square, that is wrong. That is a square means a into a. I is the identity matrix. Then matrix of order 2 means 2 by 2 matrix. That is the meaning of it. Okay, write it here. Similarly, here also a square is there, b square is there, 2ab is there, a into b into, after that multiply with the 2. Okay, read the question carefully, solve. Okay, later I will ask everything. Okay, thank you.